Good morning, everyone. My name is Arslan, and you are watching Proper Tech Tutorial. So, welcome back to the series of AI and automation. And today we'll be learning about ChatGPT prompts that are mostly used for day to day tasks. So, here we are with the ChatGPT prompts. So, this is the PPT that I have created. So, first is like we have divided it in categories. So, first is like a meal plan for week based on dietary preference. So, we'll just copy that. So, like for example, one is vegetarian, one is strictly on milk-based diet, someone is totally vegan, someone likes to only non-veg. So he can also tell ChatGPT or search for the best vegetarian restaurants in Delhi, having based on their ratings and reviews, etc. So it will search, and you can also mention locality, etc. The and plan a visit, etc. So it will tell you that the following day you can go there, the following day you can go there. So this is the first one. We will just copy it, the first category for meal plan, and I hope that everything is visible properly. Okay. So now I will paste it over here as plain text, and dietary preference will be like vegetarian diet. Also uh, suggest restaurants near, let's say, Munirka, New Delhi, uh, in the radius of let's say 3 kilometers based on their ratings, reviews, and ratings and reviews. So we'll just keep it till over here and we'll press enter. So let us see what is the meal plan suggested by ChatGPT for us, and does it find is it able to find the restaurants near a specific location? So this is the meal plan day 1, day 2, day 3, day 4. Okay, so it is able to give us a meal plan. We'll say skip meal plan and perform the next task. Let us see. So it is searching for, I think, restaurants, if I'm not wrong. Yes, Swiggy, Zomato, etc. So now it has moved on to the next task, and very soon the results will be in front of us. It is taking some time. Highly rated vegetarian friendly. Okay. So here are a list the list of some restaurants which you can visit based on the strictly vegetarian diets, based on the ratings and reviews. So this is one of the feature which you can use for Chat GPT. If you don't know a place, you don't know the restaurants, rather than asking people कौन सा बढ़िया क्या बढ़िया, search करो, जाओ, खाओ, मजे करो. Next, generate a to-do list with prioritized tasks for a productive day. So we can also change it. We can change it. We can paste as plain text and then productive day considering I want to do laundry, um exercise, uh, dine out for 45 minutes, talk to my friends, um, go for a walk, etc. And I have only, so let's say I come back to at 6 o'clock or 7 o'clock and I sleep at 11. So 7, 11, 4 or to 5 hours. So we'll say 4 to 5 hours. Let us see if it is able to give us a to-do list and prioritize tasks, etc. So exercise 45 minutes. Okay. Laundry, start the washing machine 10 minutes. Okay. Do another task, go for a walk. Okay, that's good. Dine out 45 minutes. So we can do the laundry, start the washing machine, and go for a walk, then come back, then like put it in the dryer segment, then exercise, and the meantime we will be there. We can turn off the dryer. After doing the exercise, we can go for the dinner, or we can talk to friends. Okay, so time breakdown, etc., etc. Nice. So it is able to give us a decent response based on the prompt which we gave. Suggest a workout routine for fitness goal that fits into a busy schedule. So rather, I can write over here, suggest a workout routine for fitness goals. So let's say for uh, weight loss that fits into a busy schedule, and uh, I do, let's say I do not like to run, or I cannot run because of physical restrictions like nearby locality. सुबह दौड़ेंगे, कुत्ते दौड़ा देंगे, etc., etc. Like to run. So include decent amount of cardio in it, and then press enter. Now, ChatGPT gone. No, it is awake. So work routine 30 minutes, okay. Full body fat burn, etc. Jumping jacks, warm up, okay. Main workout 20 minutes, that is 25 minutes. Okay, the remaining 5 minutes will be cool down, stretching, etc. I think. Okay, okay, cool down, stretching, etc. And so the workout is complete. So there, this is the third category of prompt which you can use in in your daily life by using Chat GPT. Coming to the next one, write a polite yet firm message to someone to address an issue. Let's say that let's say we should elaborate it more. Write a polite message for my friend who I could not call back due to a busy schedule, and then I forgot to call him back. Make sure not to hurt his sentiments, and make him understand that life, make him understand the said the excuse. Let's see what it gives us. I will do another alteration also. Be with me. Just completely missed call. I feel really bad about got caught up busy schedule last year. Afterward, I hope you understand it wasn't intentional at all. Let's catch up soon. I'd love to hear from you when you are free. Now, make sure that you hurt the sentiments of my friend, and make sure that when I call him back, he will not pick it up. Let's see if ChatGPT is capable for you. I was too busy to bother calling you, and then will just forgot you were that important. Anyway, hope you are doing whatever it is you to take care this message out. Oh, so ChatGPT is quite good, man. Next is the last category of prompt which we have. Provide a script for difficult conversation. Rather, for difficult conversation, and we'll just paste it over here. And we will write, assume any absent information from your end. Let's see what it gives. Provide a script. So you can also write a script for your personal or professional use. Like for example, you want to record a video, and those who use a teleprompter. I do not use a teleprompter. It is very impromptu. That is why sometimes I do a, e, u. So those who use a teleprompter, those who have a scripted videos, they can write their scripts using ChatGPT and do hit and trials and curate their scripts as good as possible. Or those who do not have a totally scripted video, they have a introduction that is scripted, or they cannot remember the introduction because every time the product is different, the marketing is different, the sponsor is different, so they have to curate it every time. So you can make the intro for 30 seconds or 60 seconds, whatever you like, as per the details you give it, and you will have an intro speech. So, hey friend, I really appreciate. Okay, what's up? So, this is also a category which you can use for writing for in the Chat GPT scenario 4.0. Do remember to log in with a Gmail account so that you get an intelligent response which has web results in it based on the web results and not only the knowledge that ChatGPT 3.0 has. And secondly, if you like our series, to hit the subscribe button, like our videos, share our videos, and mention your experience which you have after like watching our videos and what you did after that in the comment section. If you are having any trouble, you can write to us at propertechtutorial@gmail.com and we'll definitely get back to you. Or you can also comment in the comment section and we'll definitely get in touch. So till the next time we meet, I bid you farewell. Goodbye.